Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. Alright, let's get started. We're going to be using this Jumbling tower blocks, which I got from Ross, and it's similar to the Dollar Tree ones. I'm also going to be using this Gorilla Wood Glue for our application to make it a strong adhesion. And if you don't have this glue, you can use the Dollar Tree one, the wood glue, which is very good on wood as well. Okay, for the bottom part of our project, we're going to be gluing a row of 12 Jumbling tower blocks together. Hey lovelies, I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm just checking in to make sure that you guys are staying safe and healthy out there. Many blessings. Alright, so in the video initially, I only had 10 tower blocks glued together to make that first row. So of course I went back and added 2 more tumbling blocks to make it 12. And these other rows I'm creating, the one row, the little strips, it's gonna be 3 glued together, but I'm gonna need 4. So you will see me go back and add 1 more tile blocks to make it rows of 4. So, and you're gonna need 4 rows of 4 for the bottom piece of the project. Hopefully I didn't confuse you guys too much, but follow the video and you'll see what I'm doing. If it's your first time here, well, welcome. On this channel, we'll make high-end DIY projects on a budget. So if you guys are into this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you enjoy my content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I do really appreciate it. And all my returning subscribers, thank you always for watching my videos. Okay, so now I'm gluing the strips on each side of the base, and it's gonna be 2 on each side, right on top of each other, and you'll see that in the video. And disregard the old glue stain you see there. I had initially put it on top, but that's not how I want it to look, so I changed it. And don't worry about the glue showing, because after we complete our base, everything's gonna be spray painted and you won't get to see it at all, because actually that part is actually the bottom part of the project. Now to secure the center of the base so it don't fall apart, I'm going to make a row in the middle just to give it extra support. And I'm going to be using 4 Jumbling tower blocks and glue them together and put them right on the bottom part of the base there. Next, we're going to be working on the top part of our project, and we're going to be using 12 Jumbling tower blocks, and we're going to make a row, and by using the wood glue and hot glue. Okay, so now we're going to be using Dollar Tree tumbling tower blocks, and we're going to make rows. The first two set of rows is going to be rows of 6 tumbling tower blocks, and we're going to glue it down on each side of that little base there. And then we're going to make another set of rows, and that's going to be 5 5 Dollar Tree tumbling blocks, and those are going to be glued together, and they're going to be stuck in the middle for support. You'll see it in the video. Okay, so now we just finished the top part of the project. We're going to take a look at the base again, and we're going to be adding 2 more of the jumbling tile blocks to each side, as you'll see in the video, so that we can add the top piece on top of the bottom piece. And now we're putting the 2 pieces together, and it should look something like this. Okay, so now guys, it's time for the fun part. Time to decorate and bling this piece out. Of course, we're going to start out by spray painting the piece, and I'm using the Rustoleum metallic silver spray paint. Took it outside and spray painted. I gave it about 2 coats. And so we're going to be using some strong glue for this project, because we're going to be using a lot of mirrors. And I'm going to start out with the E6000 glue, but I ran out of it, so I'm going to switch over to the 527 glue to give our decorations and design a good strong hold. And I'll be listing the mirrors that I use on this project in the description box. But I got these ones from Amazon. And now to make it blingy, I'm using these diamond strip. I got those from Hobby Lobby, but you could also find them on Amazon if you don't have a Hobby Lobby next to you. And I will link similar strips like this on the description box from Amazon. Okay, so now we're going to be using these fairy lights. Hey, I do have a little trick for you guys. You could use like a wooden dowel, a small size that would fit. And what we're trying to do here, we're going to wrap around the fairy lights around it, and we're going to stick it into the middle of our little project there. And this way, the lights are not everywhere and stay in put, and I think it's a good method to use. Okay, so I temporarily taped the side down so I could work with it. And now we're going to be using these mirrors that I got from Amazon on top of our project. I'm going to be using the permanent glue to make sure that it stays in place. Okay, next we're going to be using these little small mirror gems, and I also got that from Amazon. I'll list them in the description box. And we're going to be placing it on the side, as you'll see in the video. We're also going to be using these diamond wraps to position it right in the middle of those gems you see here to give it an extra blingy look. We're going to be using Dollar Tree crystal gems, and we're going to create a row, and we're going to hot glue them together. You need about 11 to get about the right measurement that you're going to need for the project. And we're going to do 2 rows of 11. So the gems will allow us to cover up that hole, and so the light will bounce off that, and that will look so beautiful. So we're going to apply the gems on both sides. Anywhere we have the wooden pieces, we are going to cover it either with the rhinestone or the diamond bling wrap, so it can look nice. And on the other side, as you can see, I hot glued the light fixture thing there, the on and off button. And I cover it with the bling wrap so that it looks nice. And now we're gonna cut 2 little strips, and we're gonna put them on the edge of the mirrors on each side, as you will see here, just to give it an extra bling and make it look extra nice. Okay, so we're moving on to our candle holders. For the holders, I got those from Dollar Tree. I think they came in a set of 4. And I'm going to be using this beautiful bling chain. And we're going to use some permanent glue to wrap it around, just like I'm showing you here, to give it the extra blingy look. I got these these little candles. What I did was wrap it around with some bling wrap, and I just cut like 3 little rows and wrap it around, and that would complete our little candle. And it's gonna look so beautiful. Now for the reveal. All right, guys, we are all done. Let me know what you guys think. I think it came out so beautiful. And let me know, where would you put this beautiful piece in your home? It's so gorgeous and so beautiful and so blingy. So this is another shot of this gorgeous piece. I turned off the lights so you can see how it looks without the extra lighting. Well, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, it's free. I make high-end DIY projects on a budget. And please be sure to share with your family and friends. I really appreciate you guys. And if you want to check out my other videos on the channel, do so. I have other playlists, but check out this video next. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.